A lot of people make videos with the title being Where I've Been. Well, pretty much if you see that, you know that channel probably isn't going to come back, even as much as they promise it might. Many have also said that I've been not really commenting on videos and very curt and short with everything else. Yeah, I've been, I'm going to show you where I've been. You've been seeing videos all along of the pool opening, but here we are, June 30th, 2026. Crystal clear blue. I have the backyard in full summer mode. This is just going to remain the horde. I'm letting this grow for now, just to, I don't know, add a little visual appeal. I might cut it down later in the summer. I don't know. This stuff, flory, we'll see. Still got that. We got two bad firelights, but I knew that. They're missing their rubber things. I'm going to send those off to Rolling TARDIS, see if they can be fixed. If not, I guess the switches can be bypassed. I got Robot at the ready because we'll need him for one last roboting. I did the lawn. I have all of the lights out. And this is it. The backyard in full summer mode. The Whiff and I went in the pool last night and had the first kickoff of everything, watching all the lights go in that. Penis plant is doing very, 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 very well. Why he decided to grow here, I don't know, but he did. So there's the penis plant, and that's only one of them. We have the glass block light over here. I think I have to re-glue him, but that's all right. And of course the fire lights around the pool, the red, white, blue on the fence, manual vacuum and other pool tools, just in case. These are new this year. Lumery pathway lights. I thought they might be interesting here because I found that when you're in the pool, all this is blocked and you can't see rota with all the colored lights under rota, which are there and still working. Oh, another penis plant. Another penis plant. He's doing a little smaller, but he's good. And there's a penis plant in here. You see him? There's his dick. Yep, penis plant there, and you won't believe it. Look what sprouted. Mini me. Isn't that nice? A tiny baby penis plant. We'll see if he grows up. And there's one more. I got the power for the light in the tree. Didn't put out the Waterfall because it made rust on the pool. So we're just going to do without that. And the rest is just here because that's where it's going to be. And I got those colored lights in the pool. The fence lights, of course. Surprise, surprise. They magically work fine this year. Never guessed. Rest of those. The gun sign is here. The lights under rota, of course, have been there. The YSE jump fire ring thing that China sent, and that, and we got the purple wandering Jew, and one of the, I can't remember the name of whatever this is. It's got all winter shit on it. The flame, it's a flame thing. Now we got the same flag. We actually bought a new flag, but this one's still in good shape, so we'll keep using that. The other flame light over here, we got an eagle now. Video of that has not been released as of yet. A catchu, I had to fix him. His switch got all knackered, so I had to fix that. These guys are still working, the Spock lights. And the colored ball is still working as well, surprisingly. Never did find the other one. The drink holder, because slime is a-happening. The no soliciting sign. The raised sprinkler head. And of course the daffodilicuses. The sunflowercuses. Sun, moon, stars. The flower lights, had to fix one of those. Completely filled with water. Probably froze over the winter. And had to fix it. This guy was too low for some reason, and he doesn't have a, it's just going to be, because he doesn't have the pointy part at the bottom. It's in the ground somewhere. They fall off. But anyway, everything's all there. Everything fired and worked. The bunny statue does not light anymore. It hasn't for a couple of years. Pink flamingos, the whole nine. There's a berry plant here. Might need to call in Cindy. The fleurs over here. This bug killer thing that my dad found thrown out, I have not, as of yet, attempted to fix my Sears Flowtron rebrand. I don't know if this thing works. We just had an AC start up, which I think was this guy. Yeah, that one's already hot, and this is just getting. So that's excellent, because that means it's been cycling, which is perfect. Exactly what we need. Pool pump, yeah, the bearing I'm not that concerned about anymore, but you see the water there? It's just a little bit. The housing has cracked all the way past the gasket at this point. Probably from that skimmer sock putting too much pressure on it. Key cover is leaking. Not worried about that right now. Get a new one of that. Here's the new outlet for the outside lights. So that's there. And yes, the upstairs, sorry, the downstairs is shut. And the upstairs is running because that just turned on. Otherwise, the pump is pumping. You can just see that it's leaking bad now. I have to put water in like once a week for about an hour and a half, 2 hours. More berry plants, big berry plants. Gonna have to see if Cindy's hungry. Maybe at the end of the summer, we'll see. And the last penis plant over here. Yep, UFO light is still working. It lived through the winter. I never take it down. It stayed there out all winter. And the weather station still works. I think that's really about it. That's pretty much the whole backyard, except for the screen room. I'll take you in there because, oh, there was a birdie in the bath. I'll take you in the screen room because I've just been working. Did he just shit in there, or is that a feather? Oh, it's a feather. Alright. This is cracked. I put some silicone underneath it. I don't think it worked. It's alright. I gotta fill it today anyway. Every 2 days I come out, water the plants and all of that. The screen room, just yesterday, there's a lot of junk in here for now. I forgot to move this pump. I can move that. This is for the new lights. Hopefully Lex is going to take that TV. I'll see if this one works. Heater I gotta move. Possibly stuff for Lex over here. Stuff for the burn. The water heater that China sent. Oh, look at that. Didn't even realize 4 cans of pie were on this table and sat out the entire winter. We'll see if they work. If not, I was able to get some more. So that's wonderful. Oh, forgot to clean that. I'll have to do that. Top of it is kind of knackered, and I think there's a fly on it right now. But it works. The upside down wine glass looking light. firelight and speaker, Bluetooth, and all that. Power bank to charge the shit up. The heater works, tried that. The fan works, of course. The computer, yeah, it works, but we can't, you know, have that because Neil. New pool pump. Not sure if it's going to work because look what's marked off. 50 hertz, not 60. Not 60, but 50. But the way the listing was tends to indicate that it may be able to run at 60, or it might just burn up and then we'll send it back. TV works, no problem at all, and I could change the channels with no problem at all. The fridge has been keeping up. It's 41.7 running right now. It's making it zip, zip, zip. And that's it. I cleaned the whole table down. It looks brand new, fresh, clean. Oh, it's fantastic. Polished the copper guys. I guess that's got a little dirt on it still or something. Well, maybe it needs a little more polish, but anyway, that's there. And it's mostly good. Nobody's going to care because you can't see it anyway. And that's it. This is going to get out of here. These are going to get out of here. And then the rest, this goes for me to drink something while I'm out here. And the rest of this stuff will go. This is probably going to Lex. Burn. That's it. Summer in full swing for 2026. I already know the barbecue works, so we're good on that. I can't wait. Last night was an absolute blast in the pool, and the pool was, I think, 88 degrees, so that was fantastic. I put days and days and days and days and weeks and weeks and weeks and weeks and almost a month into getting everything the way that you see it. This does not happen overnight. This is a long, arduous process, and the results definitely pay off in the end. Anyway, that's it. We got to show you the lights. That's going to have to be at nighttime, so stay tuned for the outside lights at night 2026 edition. Thank you very kindly for watching. I really appreciate it. Make sure you click like, make sure you click subscribe, and take care. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.